Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. In one of my classes this morning, a student of mine revealed that she'd recently had her last 2 wisdom teeth taken out, but mercifully it wasn't as painful as she'd been expecting it to be. There was then a little bit of a general discussion about recent dental problems people have had and a comparison of how cheap or how expensive dental treatment is in different places. One of my Polish students said that where she lived, if you wanted to get a filling because you had a cavity, a hole in one of your teeth, then the going rate was about 40 quid per filling. The going rate is basically the normal or the average price that's charged for a service or for a thing. So if you say the going rate for a filling's 40 quid, it means you're normally going to pay something like £40 for a filling. We often use it in questions, so you might say something like, do you know what the going rate is for a piano teacher at the moment? Because I'm thinking of getting one for my kid. Yeah, I think it's about 35 quid an hour. Do you know what the going rate is for a dog walker? We also sometimes use it to talk about rent or apartments. So where I live in North London, not a particularly glamorous, but also not an insanely cheap part of the city, the going rate for a 1-bedroom flat is something like £1,400 a month. And sometimes if you're telling stories about when you got ripped off, you might use this phrase too. So maybe you arrive in a new city late at night, you're a bit tired, you're not feeling as streetwise as you might normally be, and you get a cab to your hotel. The next day, you find out from talking to people in the hotel or to locals that the cab driver completely fleeced you by charging you 5 times the going rate. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use the going rate.